Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand how we can use HTML iframes to include a YouTube playlist in a HTML document. In order to include a YouTube playlist in a HTML document, we have to use iframes element. So this is the sample element that we have where we have pointed the source value to the embed URL. So this is the playlist embed URL, and along with this we also have provided the title, which will be useful when we have screen readers, and then we have to provide width and height properties so that the iframe is displayed properly on our web page. So overall, in order to include a playlist, we definitely need a playlist ID. How can we get the playlist ID? We just have to look for a playlist on the YouTube that we would like to embed into our HTML document. Once you find the playlist, just play the playlist. Once it starts playing, inspect the URL which contains the playlist ID, and the URL will be in this form where we have the list parameter and its value will be the playlist ID. And here is a sample HTML document where we have included an iframe to point to one of our playlist IDs. This is our channel. When we navigate to playlists, so all the playlists are listed here. Let me open HTML tutorial. So once we open this, the URL gets changed. So where we have this playlist ID included against this list parameter in the URL. So you just have to copy this playlist ID and then include within our embed URL here. So let's open this document in a browser and see how the content will be displayed. So this is the sample document that we are talking about, where we have a source value pointed to a playlist and then width and height properties. And this is how the playlist will be displayed on a HTML page when we see it on a browser, where we can play the video. And we have the playlist videos listed here. So we can click this icon so that all the playlist videos will be displayed here. And we can choose the video and then we can play it. So now it shows the second. Now it shows the second video of total of 19 videos, and we can navigate to all the videos in a particular playlist using this option. So overall, it's quite simple to include YouTube playlist into a HTML document by simply using HTML iframes. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.